Hey everyone, this time I would like to share an easy and delicious recipe for crunchy potato cheese sticks. Clean and peel the potato, cut it into smaller pieces, boil until tender and then drain. Mash the hot potato and add all the other ingredients. Cornstarch, Happy Valley grated Parmesan, dried parsley, salt, chicken powder, and white pepper. Stir the mixture until well combined. Put the mixture in a plastic bag, flatten it to a thickness of 0.5 centimeters. Optionally, freeze for 15 minutes. Open the bag and cut the mixture into stick shapes. Fry the sticks in hot oil until golden brown. Serve with sauce and mayonnaise if desired. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more recipe videos and see you on the next video.